Good afternoon to all of you. Respected Maharaj Ji and Maharani Kriti ma'am, different MPs, MLAs, ministers and senior officials of TTADC. Today we are honored to make one MOU with TTADC to finance e-auto rickshaw 600 in numbers, and in coordination with the ADC's senior officials, from last 1 month we are doing these activities in the scheme formed by the ADC with the blessings of Maharaj, and today we are going to distribute 200 plus numbers and rest will be distributed in due course. So once again, thanks to TTADC for giving Tripura Gramin Bank opportunities to help in the economy of ADC areas. You are well aware that Tripura Gramin Bank is working across state in each and every corner of Tripura, and on daily basis we are working with the people of Tripura for the development of this state. And on behalf of TGB, we confirm that with the help of ADC officials, we will do more activities in this area for the development of economy. Thanks to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your brief speech.